Hi everyone, welcome to Palatable Provisions. It's Jonathan. It's hot here in Georgia, and when it's hot, that means we get to go to the pool. And what better thing to bring with you to the pool than a yummy watermelon sangria? We're gonna start with 3 cups of fresh watermelon juice, and then to that, we're gonna add a full bottle of Moscato wine. Now, normally I drink Sauvignon Blanc, I understand that, but we're gonna add Moscato wine for this. So we're gonna pour this whole bottle into our pitcher. Then we're gonna have our Tito's, which is vodka, and we're gonna add 1 cup. And then we're gonna add in half a cup of triple sec. And now we're gonna give this a twirl. And then right into this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our fruit. So we're gonna add some sliced oranges and some limes. But you can feel free to add whatever summertime fruit that you have on hand. And then finally, we're gonna top it off with 1 additional cup of freshly made watermelon juice. We're gonna give this a twirl, and then we're gonna chill it for 4 hours before we enjoy it. All right, have fun.